Hello guys, welcome to Git tutorial. Today we are going to learn Git branch. As I have mentioned, the committing pushing into the Git repository of your local files in previous videos. Now in these videos I am going to show you how we can make Git branch and creating branches to the main or master branches in our GitHub repository. First of all, let's learn about branch. Branch means one main connected that has two or more outlets like in our tree branches. The branches means the advantages of using branch in git project is that we can see from which branches the code has been pushed, and uh, we can compare the codes from different branches and put only one code or merge the code into masters that has been used that is useful for our project. And other branches, it it is still there, but it won't be merged to the branch until one main administrator or maintainer commits it. So basically it is that branches various branches various developer uses their respective branches, and the branches we push will be code will be pushed into git, and only one or more merge can be made in the branches. Now here we begin. Now, here is our freshly created repository, which consists of test.txt file. This says I am test file, and this has only a single branch. Since it is a default branch, it is master branch. Now, I'm going to show you create a branch and how it can be pushed into the branch. Now, open your file location and uh, double check branch with git branch, and it shows master branch. Now let me make some change. I am second file. Now come into and simply you know the code, and here you can write any of your messages. Oh sorry, I think I missed something. uh, Basically here you can see this code has been pushed to master branch, and again I am going to change the file in git. I will branch first. Branch minus b first. Now, as you can see, switch to branch master first. Until and unless you push, your branch won't be seen in this Git repository. Now, let's make a move. First of all, check on which branch are you. It says there are two branches, boss and master. Now you can simply start, add and commit. You can first and commit. Okay, go. Now here your code. Now previously we were using git push origin master for master push. This is for first branch push, and it will push our code to the first branch that we can see. Yes, we can see first branch has been automatically created, but we can see our repository. uh, Yes, this is the second file. The file we have renamed, we have changed the file into third file. The change we have pushed into the branch first, but not seen into commit in our git is because the branch has to be merged. You see the message, you can see you can push to merge just now, and now go to the GitLab and create merge request, and first commit one you can write anything your message or leave it as it is and create merge request. And Your maintainer will approve your code. If you are now here, I am myself maintainer, so it is allowing me to merge the code. So merge the code, and you can see now your code has been changed. Your file is updated in Git, and it says I am a third file. You can see the changes of this is the branches, and we can see the changes made by different branches through here. Okay guys, thank you for watching.